SensiML's Data Studio is your AI development hub, bringing together capturing, labeling, and evaluating machine learning models for time series sensor data. With the SensiML Data Studio, you can seamlessly explore labeled time series data synchronized with video, edit, move, and create labels with ease, or automate labeling using machine learning models. The Data Studio makes it easy to evaluate and compare models. You can dive in and compare your model results directly against your labeled data, along with common evaluation metrics such as accuracy, F1 score, and the confusion matrix. You can also run your model against the entire project to get high-level summary of your model's performance. The Data Studio is built to support time series data, whether it's single or multi-channel. You can import WAV and CSV files, select from a variety of chart types to visualize the signals, open multiple files at once to visually compare and identify patterns and trends. You can manage your entire project with the Data Studio's intuitive interface, perform bulk metadata updates, search for files by filters, perform queries against the metadata to get exactly the data you need. Data can be synced to the cloud or a local server to collaborate with other teammates, or kept locally on your computer. Live sensor capture and model testing are built into the Data Studio, using a simple protocol implemented over BLE, Wi-Fi, or Serial. Capture live sensor data and apply labels as you go, or import a model and evaluate its performance in real time. SensiML Data Studio is the tool for managing time series data. Whether you're capturing, labeling, analyzing, or evaluating machine learning models, the SensiML Data Studio has everything your team needs to get the job done.